showing you how you guys can get the red halo and also how to get a different halo. I forgot which one, but it's still a halo. Wait, okay. So first, you have to buy no color and then a force field. You have to go into this portal. Yep, then it will turn to color. Then you just have to finish this obby. Do not die or you can't get the halo. Because you spend a lot of money on this force field. Oh. And then you have to do that. And then you got yourself the red halo. And then you just gotta finish the tower 3 times without dying for a different halo. I forgot which one, but gotta do it. Let's do it. Let's hurry up and do it. Oh my god. Yeah, this force field only lasts 5 minutes. I gotta hurry. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh my god. Sorry if I'm not talking, I'm just really focused. I really want this halo. I forgot which one it was. I think it's the purple. Oh my god. Someone need to fix that. Are you No! Oh my god, I can't do this. No! You know what? See, that's how you get the red halo. Let me join a different server so then I can show you it. That was so disappointing. Okay, then you have to go to this. Gonna go to inventory, halos, and then you have yourself a red halo. It's so pretty. But I like the other one. So I hope you guys stay pro soon. Okay. Bye, my lovelies.